Today in class, we learned how to make a Tagxedo. To do this, you go to tagxedo.com, which is displayed up here. It's tagxedo.com. On the home page, you'll just click Create, and it'll bring you to this page. You'll have to activate Silverlight, and you'll most likely have to use this in Firefox, which is what I'm using it in right now. And I'm on a MacBook, so you'll go up here and you'll click Allow and Remember, and then that way, next time you try to do this, it'll allow you to do this again. So we'll wait for it to load. Once it comes up, we can start creating this. It's really easy to do. You can just put it all in this one frame right here, and it basically guides you through how to do everything. So this is the shape that it starts off with, and this is Mother Earth, as you can tell. So you can load a web page or a story. You can save and share it. You can use different colors, themes, fonts, orientations, layouts, shapes, and all kinds of other stuff. So first, I'm going to go ahead and change the shape. And since the theme of the lesson is duality, and I already know that there's a yin-yang down here which represents the duality, I'll go ahead and select that. So it'll take a second to load, and then that'll bring that up, and this is what it looks like. Secondly, I'm going to go ahead and find the text that I want to put in here. And The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde is actually for free on Gutenberg, so we'll go straight here, go to the HTML with no images, and there's quite a bit of text on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and Control A or Command A for Mac users, and then copy with Control C, and then we'll go in here and just enter the text in here. Command or Control V for paste. We'll put that in there. There's a lot of text that stuff that's at the bottom and the top that doesn't necessarily pertain, but we can go ahead and just leave that in there. It'll still just take pretty much all of the text or the words that are used the most often. So we'll see Gutenberg on here, but you'll also see Jekyll, Mr. Utterson, all these other words. So now that we have it looking like that, you can change the theme. And I'm thinking, since this is more of a spooky-ish story, we'll go ahead and try to go with something that's sort of I don't know, Halloweenish. This will work. You can change the font if you like. I do kind of like this one, so I'm going to leave it as that. So once you're happy with it, which this one I may work on it a little bit more, may leave it, but once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and share it. So what you want to do is the 500 kp JPEG. You can click that one. And then you can go ahead and save it wherever you want to, title it obviously. Once you saved it, you can go and post it somewhere else, and then you are good to go. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.